Ich heiße Bhumika Rautela und ich komme aus Indien und ich bin jetzt 27 Jahre alt. Und ich wohne seit 3,5 Jahren in Deutschland. Und ich habe auch meine Masters von Deutschland studiert und letzte Jahre im September abgeschlossen. Also meine Masterstudium war im Operational Excellence. Ähm, das ist auch ein gemischtes Programm von MBA und Engineering. Und ich habe auch mein Praktikum hier in Deutschland gemacht und dann für 1 Jahr meine Werkstudentin. Und danach habe ich meine Vollzeit bekommen. Und seit letztem Jahr September arbeite ich mein Vollzeit als Einkäuferin, wie gesagt. Ja.
How was your German before you have joined this course, and how is it now? Where is your confidence at the start, and how do you feel right now when you speak with your colleagues or with people in day-to-day life?
Yeah. So my German before this course, so I used to speak German because my work requires German. But I did not had that fluency in my German. So this was the main reason why I joined this program, to get those fluency, and also my vocabulary was also limited. So I also wanted to increase that. So these were the two basic reasons for me to join this course, and I would like to say that it did definitely wonders for me. Now I my fluency has gotten much better. I am now more confident in speaking German. And yeah, and now I know new words every day, and I can now use it in my daily life. And yeah, and I could say that this 3.5 or 3 months that I did this course was really nice. And so it is kind of an intensive course, I would say. So you had to work and give and put efforts on this course, but when you do that, you can start seeing changes in within 1 month. And yeah.
Absolutely. Well, of course, consistency is very, very important. It's not just, okay, today I'll be there, tomorrow I will skip. Consistency is very, very important because, for example, you also had live classes, you had voice messages, phone call. So we have different exercises that you are doing in order for you to reach that level of fluency to help you to speak better. And how is now with your colleagues at work? Did they notice that change when you speak with them? Did you got some maybe comment, or did they tell you something?
Yeah, so when I started this course, I told my colleagues that I've joined this course, and I want you to tell me the changes after 3 months. And yeah, they definitely told me that now I can speak better. I speak more sentences. I can now make longer sentences, which I wasn't able to do before. And now in meetings and all, because my meetings are mostly in German, in those meetings I can now confidently speak within maybe 10, 15 other people. That these changes, my colleagues have also told me that this is what is now better, which wasn't before 3 months. And yeah.
Super. So for people watching this, just to explain what we have done together. So pretty much our course is based on conversation. I will say 80% is focusing on speaking, and every student, so as you, were able to pretty much choose the topics that you personally find important in order for you to learn specific words that you're missing, right? As you already mentioned, you could already speak, but you couldn't speak with confidence and express yourself precisely as you really want and feel in order for your colleagues to understand what you like to say, especially in a meeting when some meeting is very important, or maybe there's some external client there listening. Of course, it's very important that to have that fluency and confidence to convince, for example, your boss about a certain project or something that what's good idea or not. And we did all this throughout practice, of course, focusing only on specific words that you need and actually are missing in your vocab. And then, of course, with daily practice, repetition, this is something that also help you to gain that confidence throughout live classes, and also voice messages and daily feedback, correcting your grammar, pronunciation. So pretty much all inclusive that will help you to reach where you're at now. And tell me if there's something you'd like to say to someone who would consider join this course. Let's say that person starting either from zero, A1, A2, or even B1 level. What would you like to recommend that person, whether should he join this course or not?
So I have also seen people in my class or in the group class who have joined from zero German level, but I could just see the changes in just 1 month that they are now able to speak so clearly and so with confidence. So I feel if you are starting from zero, then this is also a course for you, definitely, because you could just see the changes in 1 month. You can speak more clearly, more with more confidence, because so this course is all about you speaking German. So and it is very much flexible. Which topics do you want to choose, on which topics do you want to speak? And you have to choose like 15 topics per week and send daily voice notes. And also in the group class we speak in one or two topics in every group class. And also what I like the most about that, you have a lot of spontaneous speaking. So it could be like we could prepare a topic beforehand and then speak about it, but what really also matters is how much you can think really quickly in German. So that also this course also provided that to me as well. Spontaneous speaking, we could just speak in any topic for like straight 5 to 10 minutes or so. And for people who are also starting from B1 level, I would like to say, because I also started from B1 level, I would say this is also uh, this is only going to increase your German level in any case. Even if you are in B1 level and you know a little bit of German or you can speak German, but it gives you that fluency, it gives you that confidence to speak in any topic for like straight 10 to 15 minutes. Usually people don't do that. I mean, if anybody is learning German, then it is very difficult to speak on any topic, random topic, for straight 5 minutes, 10 minutes. People, I mean, usually I was also used to be afraid for because of that. But now this course has developed that level of fluency, that spontaneity in my brain, that I could also now think in German and then just speak about it.
Exactly. Well, pretty much everything is about practice and you using the language. Not, for example, what in other courses, for example, some of them focus more on grammar, where it's good. Of course, you will learn the rules and everything, but you're not able to speak, which is the key. I mean, if you want to learn how to ride a bike, you just have to do it, right? If you want to learn how to play football, you have to do it. You cannot just study, look some videos, right? But you have to take action, experience, fail, make mistakes, and then learn from mistakes and always get back and, of course, learn even more.
Yeah.
And even just to mention to everyone that pretty much we have joined our lowest starter program, not even the highest program, because of course you came with the knowledge and we want to polish that, make it sure that, okay, now you can speak. And also as well, what is really important to mention here is that you were very, very consistent. It's not that just you attend a couple classes. No, like literally attend every class, send every voice message, attend phone calls, watch the lessons that we have provided you. And of course, that's why you got results and you can feel the difference every week. Every week, as you know, we're
Definitely.
giving you feedback to see exactly where you're at. And that's why pretty much you're here.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I would really like to thank you and your course and all the coaches, Coach Mira, Coach Vanessa, for always being there and clearing my doubts about everything at every time or any day.